Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with wuthering waves. Whenever trying to play the game, you got major lags while playing the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution to fix the lagging issues. First of all, make sure you install the game only on the SSD. If you have installed the game onto the HDD, you keep on getting the lags. So make sure first of all you install the game onto the SSD only. And nextly is, if you have an AMD GPU, right click and choose the option AMD Adrenalin Edition. Now here click on the performance tab, and under the matrix you will find the option of enable matrix overlay. Go ahead and turn on the matrix overlay to fix out the lags while playing the game. If these two methods doesn't work out, you need to change the settings of the game. So first of all, open Epic Launcher, select your game, click on this three dot icon and click on the option manage. Now here under the installation, click on this folder icon to open the installation folder of the game. Now open the Wuthering Games folder, open client folder, save, config, Windows no editor, and here press the E key to find engine.ini file. First of all, right click on it and choose the option copy. Once copied, paste the file onto your desktop. Now if any case these settings doesn't work out, you can delete this particular file and then copy the desktop file and paste right in the settings menu if this method doesn't work out. Now right click on engine.ini file, choose the option open with and click on notepad. Now here scroll to the bottom, press the enter key. You need to paste different settings. These are all the settings. Select all from the description of this video, copy and paste right over here by right clicking and choose option paste. Once pasted, hit the file menu and choose option save. Now give it a name engine.ini. In save as type, choose the option all files, and I'll save the file into my game folder. Once it is saved, you can delete this particular file. Once deleted, copy the newly saved file by right clicking, copy and paste right over here. Once the file is pasted, go ahead, minimize it, open Epic Launcher and launch the game, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of lags while playing the game. If this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Go ahead and launch the game. Go ahead and log in. Now once you are logged in, press the escape key and then click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. Now click on or choose the second option to select the graphics settings. From here, under the graphics settings or graphic quality, if your system allow, go ahead and choose the option advanced right over here. Now scroll down and you will find the option of FSR. Go ahead and turn it off. Again scroll down, turn off motion blur, turn off VSync. Once you have done these changes, and if you are using NVIDIA graphic card, you will find two options. First one is DLSS and second one is NVIDIA Reflex. Go ahead and you need to turn off these two settings also, NVIDIA DLSS and NVIDIA Reflex. Once you have done these settings, go ahead, close it. Now go ahead and relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out your lagging issues while playing Wuthering Waves. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.